Hey guys, I'm here and welcome to another video. How to make your YouTube channel intro for free. This basic computer knowledge and you can already create your own YouTube channel intro. Let's get started. First, open your browser. Type on soy.com. You will see the different templates for creating intros. Choose any templates that you want to use. All of these templates are free. Next, open the clip maker. Now you can see your workplace. On the left side, you can see the tabs that you can use for editing. When you're done editing, you can now download your own YouTube channel intro. Thank you!